Hey everybody, we've got a different project we're going to do today, and we are going to make a trellis for my dipladenia out of blackberry vines and jute twine. So let's go ahead and get things started. Here's the dipladenia. You can see it's grown quite a bit, and so I want to make sure it has a trellis to grow on and make it look in a pretty shape. First, we need to find some semi-pliable blackberry vines that we can trim, particularly ones that are older that aren't going to bear more fruit, so that I don't lose fruit this year. But let me just take a look at what we have. This should be a good one because it's pliable. Okay, here's all the stems that I have cut. I did end up cutting some green ones because I needed some things that were a little more pliable, but I'm actually trying to make the mother plant a little bit smaller and let the runners kind of take off. So that's okay. And ideally, if I would have thought about it back when I was doing my trimming earlier in the year of this blackberry, I would have saved some then, but that's okay. We still found some, and we'll see what we can do with them. Now let's head back over to the patio and start this project. Before I get started making the trellis, I'm going to fill this bucket probably at least halfway full of water and put these stems in it. The ones that are green, it'll help them stay pliable, and the ones that are a little harder wood, it'll help them soften up just a little bit. I may still have some breakage, but we'll deal with that as it comes. You can see that one's very pliable, so I'm going to put both ends in here. Now I'm going to let those soak for at least a half hour, maybe an hour, while I go do some other things. Our blackberry vines have been sitting in the bucket of water for about 40 minutes or so, so let's start seeing how we can form this trellis. I'm actually making this a little bit taller than I thought I would, because I think this dipladenia may actually grow more than the original size I thought I was going to make, which would have been about where the top of the dipladenia is right now. That's kind of where I thought I was going to go, but I'm making this a little bit taller, again, just because I think it's going to grow more, and I think it would be beautiful to be taller. Just as I said, sometimes they break. They're not all as pliable as the others. It's good to get green ones. So we're just going to adjust, and I'm going to tie the top together. And if we get more branches, and we'll get more branches on the blackberries, I might, as the season goes along, trim some more and add to it. But we'll start with this. There's what it looks like from the top view. And you can just kind of move them around to get them closer together. I think I might tie one more knot underneath, and then I'll cut off the ends. All right, that short piece that I had in there before, I think I'm going to go ahead and put it back in there, just the one for now, so that as it's growing, it has some shorter stems to grow around too. All right, I'm going to go set it back in place where it was before and show you what it looks like. Here it is. Tell me what you think. It actually kind of looks a little like a hot air balloon to me. I like it. I like that it's rustic looking, natural. And like I said, if we get more branches that will fit this later on our blackberry bush, we can trim them and add to it. Because I think what I'd like to do is add another shorter one down here. One that's this size going the opposite direction, and tie those together. So we'll just look for more shorter ones that are green, and I'll show you if I make any adjustments to it. I'll show you it, and I will show you as this grows over the summer and see how beautiful it's looking. When I went back to my blackberry bush looking for some more branches to cut, I actually found one that I had dropped, and it was a shorter one, so I was able to put another one, shorter one, in the bottom. And I decided I'm not going to tie them together. see it right there. I'm just going to leave those as is. There's what it looks like. I know it's wonky. I like it. I like it to look like it grew in nature, and I left it like it grew in nature because you can see one of the stems, actually a couple of them, there were two coming off of it and I left them. Same thing down here, they're just lower, but I like that look. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.